In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create milestones in Smartsheet so you can track important project checkpoints and monitor progress more effectively. First, open your Smartsheet project sheet and make sure you have columns for task name, start date, end date, and duration. Next, add a new row where you want your milestone to appear. In the task name column, enter a descriptive name for the milestone, such as project launch or design complete. Then, set the start date and end date to the same day. Since a milestone represents a specific point in time, it doesn't span multiple days. After that, enter a duration of 0 days. This tells Smartsheet that the row is a milestone rather than a standard task. If you're using Gantt view, the milestone will automatically appear as a diamond-shaped marker on your project timeline, making it easy to identify key project events. Review the details and save your changes. You can repeat this process for any major milestone throughout your project. That's it. You've successfully created a milestone in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.